Hi guys, today we are trying out the new they changed that name. It's not Kat Von D anymore, it's KVD. This is the Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. Looks like this, just a clear plastic package. So they have this at Ulta, but most of the shades are sold out. But I believe it came in 40 shades. I'll list everything down below, but we are trying it out today. Of course, it is on the skin now. And if you guys want to know my thoughts on it, then I hope you subscribe and click that bell. I'm gonna hush and we're gonna hop in. All right, medium 045 is the shade that I got. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead right now and talk about the packaging. I like this packaging. I think it's very pretty. But the thing is, I can see this packaging on Catrice or a lower cost brand. And I love, you guys know, I love drugstore brands, but this is plastic. I like that it does have, you know, this kind of on it. It says KVD in the middle, but there's no mirror, and this is not a cheap product. So that's my whole thing with that. When you open it, it looks like this. It's just clear. I wish they had put a mirror in. It would make it feel more luxurious and not so cheap. I hate to say it like that, but even drugstore brands have better packaging than that. So take that one into consideration. So this is supposed to have buildable full coverage. I'm gonna scoot in a little bit here. I already have the hair back. And it's supposed to be a matte finish, but it's supposed to be moisturizing. So I have the, what is this? Number 131 from It Brushes. I'm going to take it in here. And let's see what we've got. This is a balm. Oh my. I don't want to use too much, so I'm just gonna spread it around. Like, for a balm, holy cow, you guys. Wow. Like, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Okay, I only went in there a few times, but I think we're gonna get a whole face out of this. I mean, wow. I'm gonna try to just keep doing this number, and then let's just start pushing it into the skin. I normally prefer pushing it into the skin where I do have a lot of redness. I want to cover that, and buddy, this is doing a good job at covering. Wow. Especially for a balm. I mean, yes. Wow. This brush is putting it on nicely. I mean, I have no complaints with the brush at all. I mean, holy moly. I'm kind of shocked by this. Like, I wasn't expecting that much coverage. Curious to see how it's gonna sit on the nose, because my nose can be very, very finicky. And it looks pretty good so far. I'm gonna grab just a smidge more. This side got more coverage, so I'm just gonna build it where I need it. Like, took no time, no effort, and we have full coverage. Wow. Wow. So a little bit of this baby does go a long way. I know you don't get very much product in here, but you don't need very much product. Wow. I didn't think I had very much. I thought I was gonna go in on this side, go back in, then go back in on this side, but I didn't have to. I mean, wow. Like, I really expected to use a heck of a lot more than I did. You can still see a really nice glow to the skin. It's not flat matte. My nose doesn't look the greatest. Like, you just dab into this stuff, you guys, and so much, like, it goes such a long way. It's like mind-blowing. All right, the nose doesn't look the best. It could be my skincare, because like I said, I have a very finicky nose. It could be my skincare and this balm just aren't working together. But wow, 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 wow. So I'm shocked, like honestly shocked. So this is where we're gonna leave it. I just built it a little bit right here just to get the coverage the same on both sides. But you guys, like I can't even stop looking in the viewfinder. It looks so amazing. It was so fast. I mean, wow, that did my entire face, like legit my entire face. So yeah, okay. I'm going to go off camera, do the rest of the face. We'll come back, talk about this some more. It's not accentuating my pores or texture. Definitely full coverage, like I said. So I really have no complaints right now. This is our starting point, and I will see you guys in just a few. All right, my lovelies, we are back. I have the full face done. It's actually already been about 2 hours. I did do another video, and the forehead looked really bad. I actually had to try to wipe it away. I'm thinking I have some dry skin, and I didn't see it beforehand, but oh, give me 1 second. My boob is itching, you guys, straight itching. Sorry about that. But I didn't see it, and you guys may actually be able to see it in the prior clip. So I tried to mend that as best I could. It was just really splotchy and blotchy. I removed a little bit, added more, and then I actually had to put powder there just to make it look a little bit better. So this is what we've got. I love the way everything is looking. The forehead, I think, was more me, where I had dry skin on my forehead, and then the nose, I also had to put powder on the nose. It was kind of doing the polka dot pore thing, but besides that, it looks really beautiful. I did not have to set anything. Like I said, I did set the forehead and the nose, but I didn't have to. Like I could blend everything over this perfectly. It did set down on its own. So we are going to do a nice long wear test on this, and then we'll come back, see what I think about it. But as of right now, I do love how quick it is. It was really, really easy and full coverage. So I will see you guys later on. Overlook my coat. I am kind of cold, even though it has been beautiful out, but I don't know, I'm kind of cold. So I have a little thin-ish jacket on. But anyway, so it has been exactly 9 hours. This has worn really, really well. I had the issue with my forehead. The nose doesn't look incredibly great, but I still like this. I'm still going to recommend this. I think I'm going to try to exfoliate. I'm gonna wear this again tomorrow. I'm gonna exfoliate really, really well, wear it tomorrow, and I think it'll wear a lot better than it did today on the forehead. But on the cheeks, it still looks beautiful. No fading, no patchiness, nothing. So, you guys seen. Oh, I'm telling you. All of a sudden, you guys know I have chickens. So, they normally stay in a fenced-in area. Well, chickens can fly. Actually, incredibly well at that. All of a sudden, I see my rooster just flying across the yard and then running as fast as he can, kind of fluffed out, and that's kind of what they do when they're about to be in a fight or they're attacking something. Well, there are 3 chickens, hens, that get out, and he just ran on top of one to breed her. It is mating season. Chickens mate all year round, but for some reason in the spring there is a breeding season. So they really breed then, like it's just boom, 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 like rabbits. So yeah, all of a sudden I had to get up and be like, what is that? Like, what is he running at? And he was just breeding one of the girls. So sorry about that. But anyway, I have really no issue with this except for the forehead, like I said. And I mean, just the coverage, how quick it is. it's kind of baffling because it just boom right out the gate is full coverage. You guys seeing all of that, and I mean, it's so quick, easy. You get it on, you're done. So I like it. I like it a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, oh, let me tell you guys really quickly, this should be the first video that goes up. You guys know I have been doing quite well with uploading, and of course I'm using an older computer. Well, it finally bit the dust. So it should be in the day it gets in. I'm going to edit and this should be up. So hopefully that is this weekend. If not, it will be on Monday. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys because I went MIA for a minute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.